It's wee hour in the morning. Got a little flicker, and not gonna worry about it because that's the cold. LED lights. I gotta go get some things. I got a list, right? So let's go get it filled. And gotta get the battery rejuvenated anyway. Now on this project I'm doing outside, I'm not sure if I want to do 1x4s or 1x6 or combinations of 1x4s or 1x6, but I'm just going to go ahead and get what I need to get. I think I got what I need in the supplies, and I got to drill a hole as well. Oh, look, no lights. Yeah, that's a good thing. GoPro, you would have failed if I would have done one of these, man. Shut that light off and you would have never seen me in my video. But GoPros are great. As you're riding, it will do show everything on the road, just like any camera. Now, I'm not sure how tall and how wide and how deep I'm doing this, but I'm doing it where I need that wood. Well, that's the end of my battery. It died on me, so I got to boost it, and I got to boost my car now. Leftovers, no more. You want to buy some leftovers at still retail sale? No 1x6x12s. I only got 1x6x8s. And I gotta go figure out how many more I need now. I think I got it. Don't need any more. Do come back another time. Oh look, I left my trunk open. Anybody close it for me? Be a nice courtesy person. Everything's still there. This is what I gotta deal with the Costco battery every single time. The next one, just get a new battery. Done. Don't have to worry about reboosting every single time. I didn't even get there to start the car because the remote starts it by itself. How do you like that? I don't want to lose my nails like I did the last time. Or I need a wood. This will fit right in. Don't want to get stapled. It's not cold out. No rush to rush. But it all goes in nicely. Close my hood myself. Close my trunk myself. Yeah, that's the hood. That's the trunk. This is a door. That's wood. I just want to know if you pay attention to what I say. Let's see if you get it. Yeah, man, unbelievable how this battery's just totally dead now. I'm gonna have to go get a new one. I can't go back to Costco with it because of the reasons of it's out of warranty, and I missed it by like 4 months, and they wouldn't, warranty it. It sucks when you go to the store and you're supposed to get 1x6x12s, nowhere to be found at all. I looked all over, and that's why I pointed to the whole thing there. Nothing, man. $307, 20 cents cheaper. Actually 18 cents cheaper over here, and down the road is like $2.95. That's even cheaper. Oh, you can let your car run all day. It'll rejuvenate. You can run it 50 miles per hour speed limit for an hour. It'll charge. 5 minutes. It didn't do anything. I'm happy I got my stuff early. No traffic, no line. Problem was, the machine broke the first one I used and I'd go to customer service if I wanted a receipt. Man, lazy, man. They can't just print it out right there. Why have a person that's watching you? Oh, go to customer service, go get your receipt. That'd be another 20 minutes. Walk me over instead and let me get my receipt there. Or cash me out and I'll do it all over again. I know I don't have it and I forgot, but I do got the anchors. But I got the smaller ones I could drill to the walls and put a long screw on to secure the wood. Nothing super duper heavy, but LiPo batteries. And I'm building a cabinet, and what I'm building it for is outdoors for a safer environment. And I don't need to have a heater in dead of winter, because heaters are like these vests with the little wires going on there. And batteries will hold strong in the extreme cold and heat as long as they got a cabinet. So I'm not going to be here showing every single cut and angle and how I get it built. Or maybe I will. Or maybe I'll show you parts of it. Maybe I'll talk as I do it. I'm not sure, but maybe this video could be over. Maybe I'll continue on and make a half an hour video so you could watch it or listen to it in the background where, you know, YouTube's got podcasts. And I thank you. That means a lot anyway. Just saying that at least you turned the video on to say so. Thank you. This garbage truck's been here since the light was green. You're gonna go wait right over there at the corner, so this way when a person makes that turn and you're blocking it. Here goes the light. Let's see if he goes. The next light's gonna turn red anyway. Turns green. Let's go, Mr. Garbage Can. Let's go. He's gonna sit there. So now we go, we wait our turn, and off we go. Yes, indeed. That's the right way of doing things. I feel like going to get my mini pop wing, I call it. I got the 2S battery on it. I gave it full throttle, and it holds strong, but it's not going to be super fast like the 3S battery, which did hold strong. But when I get out in the field, I guess the pressure pulls it back and cuts the throttle out. And people say, oh, it could be the ESC not programmed for full throttle. And I have to find out if that's true. Maybe I go get a flight out today, as soon as the sun comes up. And on that note, you know who I am, and I thank you for stopping by. We'll see what we're gonna do. I catch you on many other videos to come. I'm Fish. I'm not out of here yet. No golfers today, man. I got a couple of pooches, and I'm gonna go more into the park. This way I have a good area to fly. And yeah, we're gonna add this to the vlog. This is called the dancing wing, not a pop wing, but I'm calling it a mini pop wing. Do you know where you can get a better motor and ESC that correctly runs 3S than a flight test one? Let me know down below. I want to hear your thoughts while I set up and go fly. If it does. Alright, I did my best to angle my camera the right way. Gotta get my hands out here and hook up. Did I turn everything on? There I say. Always an issue. Look at that. Alright, so I got my thing ready. This is how I throw it, like this. Here I go. Go get a flight. Now what I had to do here is I had to adjust this sub trim. I totally forgot how. Go get a flight. Take off. And of course my battery always comes out when I really secured all this. I love flying. One more time. No power. I'm done. I flew 10 feet. I'm finished. Let's try one more time. Oh boy, I'm having a blast. Are you? I'm gonna hook it up one more time. I flew longer. I need more power. And that's the problem. There I go, I'm flying. My battery's the problem. Alright, I had a good time. I ain't gonna go any further. Damage. Last time. This way I just show you that I can fly. I just don't love 2S. I go home and I gotta fix this bad boy up. Full whoop. Hope I got it on video. I want to bring it down because I got problems. And I'll go and pick it up. I brought it down because I thought I was getting too close to the fence and out of the park. But there you go. I can fly. At least I don't leave dog poop behind. I know one person's going to get a crack out of this, and I'm going to make his year. The show's over! Well, I am going to recheck my plane, look at it, clean it up, put it back where I got it from, and go grab my glider and my sports cub and fly that, because I know those will fly a little bit better than a fixed wing that needs just a little more attention. But like I said, I got something wrong with the motor, and that's my problem. On that note, enjoy your video.